Good morning children, welcome you all in our math session. Previous session we have completed divisibility and divisibility rules. So we have completed now our chapter factors and multiples. Here is a revision session. Last session we have completed question 1, write the common factors of the numbers. Okay, now here is a question 2. Find out if the first number is a factor of the second. If yes, put tick or put cross. Okay, 5, 65 means this first number 5 is a factor of 65. If we divide 65 by 5 and when we get remainder 0, then this 5 is a factor of 65, means first number is a factor of the second. Now tell me children, 65 divide 5, is it possible? Yes, because you know the divisibility rule is if one's place there is number 5 or 0, then 5 is divisible by that number. And here is 65 means 5 is divisible by 65 means 5 is a factor of 65. So yes, okay, means first number is factor of the second. Okay, now B, 3, 16. Now tell me, in 3's table there is 16. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18. So 3 is a not factor of 16. C, 9. Now tell me, 55. In 9 tables there is no 55. So 9 is not a factor of 55. D, 8, 56. You have to recite the table of 8 and 8 7s are 56. Yes. So 8 is a factor of 56. Okay. Now here 6, 30. 6 5s are 30. Remainder 0. Yes. 6 is a factor of 30. Means first number is a factor of the second number. Now here 3 and 69. Okay. When we divide by 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 6 0 and 3 3s are 9. Okay. Yes. 3 is a factor of 69. Now 7, 64. Check, there is 64 in 7 table. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 30, 7 6s are 37, sorry, 42. Wait children. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56, 7 9s are 63 and here is 64. So 7 is not a factor of 64. Now 4 and 28, 4 7s are 28. Yes, 4 is a factor of 28. Now first 10 multiples of the following. Yes. Then here find the LCM of the following pairs of numbers. Yes, you have completed this. Now here fill in the blanks. Okay. The largest factor of any number is the, largest factor means the number itself. So here you have to write number itself. Okay. Now the smallest multiple of 5 is, smallest multiple, we have started multiples from that number only. So smallest multiple of 5 is 5. Okay. Now the number of even numbers between 1 and 100 means children, here you have to find out how many numbers are even numbers between 1 to 100. Okay. For this I am showing you numbers 1 to 100. Okay. Children, see here. Here are numbers from 1 to 100 and I have circled the numbers that are even numbers. Okay. And we have to count these numbers. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30. This 10, 30 plus 10, 40. 40 plus 10, 50, but we have to write between 1 to 100. So don't count 100. So 50 minus 1, 49. So these 49 numbers are even number. Now tell me children, even number means if there is ones place 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. If in any number ones place there is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0, that numbers are even numbers. So tell me how many numbers are even numbers between 1 to 100? 49. Okay. And now remaining numbers are odd numbers. Now tell me odd number means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Okay. But don't consider 1 because we have to write between 1 to 100. Okay. So there are 49 odd numbers and 49 even numbers in between 1 to 100. Understand children? So write here the number of even numbers between 1 and 100 is 49 even numbers. Okay. And then the number of odd numbers between 1 and 100 is also 49. There are 50 numbers but we skip 1 and 100. Okay. 1 is a odd number. When we add this odd number in 49, we get 50. And 100 is a even number. If we add this 1 in, so 50 even numbers and 50 odd numbers. But we skip 1 and 100. So 49, 49. Clear? Now, the smallest and largest factors of 56 are. Smallest factor 1 and largest factor 56. Yes. You know na children, 150 is 156 is 56. Okay. Now here children, you have to find out the SCF of the following pairs of the numbers here in notebook. Okay. 28 and 62. You know how to find out the SCF. First, find out the factors of 28, then 62, then common factors and then highest common factor means HCF. Okay, like this you have to complete A to E. Now here children, a piece of cardboard measures 140 centimeter. Okay, it has to be divided into 35 equal pieces without anything being left. Means remainder will be 0. See if it is possible. Means we have to make 35 equal pieces. So we have to divide 140 divided by 35. Okay. See here 35 ones are 35. 35 2s are 70. 35 3s are 3 5s are 15. 3 3s are 9 and 10. 105 and 35 4s are 4 5s are 20. 2 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12 plus 2 14 means 35 4s are 140. If 35 equal pieces, yes, we can divide it. Okay. So a piece of cardboard measures 140 centimeter. It has to be divided into 35 equal pieces means we get 4 equal pieces of 35. Okay children. So if it is possible, yes, you have to write here yes, it is possible. Now children, next question. Find the numbers between 45 and 75 that are divisible by both 5 and 10. Okay. Now you know the divisibility rule children. When there is 5 and 0 at the ones place of the number, then it is divisible by, or that number is divisible by 5. Yes, in this number 45 and 75, ones place there are 5 and 5. So these 45 and 75 are divisible by 5. But what about 10? Now you know the divisibility rule of 10. If ones place of any number is 0, then that numbers are divisible by 10. And you know 45 and 75, there is no 0 in one's place. So these 45 and 75 are not divisible by both 5 and 10. You have to write 45 and 75 are not divisible by both 5 and 10. Okay children. Now next, find the numbers between 83 and 91 that are divisible by 2. Now you know the divisibility by 2 rule is, if one's place is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0, then that numbers are divisible by 2. Now after 83 there is number 84. 84 is means one's place 4, means it is divisible by 2. Then 85, no. 86, yes. 87, no. 88 is divisible by 2, yes. 89, no. 90, yes. And 91, no. So these 4 numbers 84, 86, 88 and 90 are divisible by 2. Okay children. Now list any 4 factors of 90 and the first 5 multiples of 13. Children, these examples you have to do in the notebook. Okay, 5 factors of 90. First 4 factors. See, 1 and 90. Yes. Then 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, means 2 45s are 90. Okay, see here 4 factors. Or 3 multiplied by 30, 3 30s are 90. Then 4 2s are 8, no, 4 is not a factor. Then 5, yes, 5 1s are 5 and 5 4s are, sorry, 5 8s are 90, means these are the factors. We have to list only 4 factors here, 1 2 3 5 18 30 45 90. Okay, these are the factors, but you have to write only first 4 factors. Okay, now first 5 multiples. Multiples means you have to write the table. 31 are 13, 13 2s are 26, 13 3s are 39 and 13 4s are 52. So these 4 numbers are multiples of 13. Okay children, complete this revision station. Those examples in textbook, this fill in the blanks in the textbook, other SCF, and then this word problem in the notebook. Okay, now here is a worksheet. Fill in the following table using multiplication tables. Okay, means you have to fill this table by multiplication. You have to write here table of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Children, you have to complete the table using multiplication. Okay. So here like this you have to complete. Then write the answer of this question. Circle all the numbers that are multiples of 4. You know children, multiples of 4 means table of 4. Okay, circle करना है. Do circle here. Yes, same here children. Look, 4 8 12 16 20 24 28 32 36 40. Okay, these are the multiples of 4. Then these are also multiples of 4. Okay, then circle all the numbers that are multiples of 4. These all the numbers are multiple of 4. Now shade all the numbers that are multiples of 6. So multiple of 6 means 6 table. Shade like this. Okay. Here also 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. Okay. So children, these are the shaded numbers that are multiples of 6. Now next question, put triangle around the number that are multiples of 8. Multiples of 8 means table of 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. And here also 8, 16, 21, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Okay. Now here put triangle around the numbers that are multiples of 8. These numbers are. Okay. Now here list the numbers that are circled, shaded and have triangle around them. Okay. Now last D, list the numbers that are circled, shaded and have triangle around them. So children, here are circle number, these are shaded numbers, these are triangle around them. Okay, these are the numbers. Okay children, like this you have to complete this question 1 and then here question 2. Fill in the blanks. 1 multiply by what? Then you will get 24. Yes, 1 multiply by 24 is equal to 24. Then dash dash multiply by 4. 6 4s are 24. Okay. Then here which number will come? When we multiply by 3 and we will get answer 24. 8 3s are 24. Okay. Now here 2 12s are 24. Yes. And the factors of 24 are, start from here, 1, 24, 6, then 4, then 8, 3, 2, 12. Okay, these are the factors of 24. Okay children, like this you have to complete revision station and worksheet. Okay. Thank you.